In this chapter, we will delve into advanced topics of Visual Basic 2010, focusing on enhancing your programming skills with practical applications. Let's begin with adding shapes to a form.
Adding shapes in Visual Basic 2010 can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your applications. Adding images to a form in Visual Basic 2010 offers another way to enrich your applications. Images can convey information effectively and enhance user engagement. Variables are essential for storing data in Visual Basic 2010. Variables like integers, strings, and booleans allow us to manipulate and store data. Operators in Visual Basic 2010 enable various operations on variables and values. It's pivotal for controlling the flow of your applications. Radio buttons and checkboxes are GUI controls used for user interactions. Radio buttons restrict users to single selections, while checkboxes allow multiple selections. They're useful for form inputs and user preferences. Mastering these concepts equips you with the tools to create dynamic and interactive applications in Visual Basic 2010. That concludes our overview for today. Make sure to practice adding shapes, images, using variables, operators, and control structures in your projects to strengthen your understanding.